We're looking at a 2015 Forest River Georgetown 270S with a Ford V10 engine. The unit is a little bit over 28 feet long. The tires are original and from 2014. They're Goodyear. The awning is a metal wrapped awning, so the fabric is in good condition. I don't see any rips or tears in the awning. The unit looks high now because the automatic stabilizer jacks are down. Electrical outlet. You run the cables right through the bottom. This unit has a lot of storage capabilities. You can get into the hot and cold lines there. Over here you can get into the water pump and other things if you need access to those, which is very nice instead of having to tear apart the inside of the unit. Have nice storage here. Great feature is the tray that comes out one side. Give you access to your stuff without having to crawl in. And that goes back in. There is a spot of damage right here, back of the RV. It's been bumped into something and touched up with spray paint in that area. Everything else looks good on the exterior. Has a Class 5 hitch, rated for towing 5,000 pounds. The roof is solid. Everything looks good up there, and it is a fiberglass or solid roof. It is not a rubber roof. It's not full body paint. It is it's fiberglass and some stickers mostly on it, decals. All the decals and stickers look good. There is a small amount of oxidation on the motorhome, which is common with fiberglass units. It does have slide toppers. Slide toppers in good shape. Hydraulic pump, different things, shows the frame inside there. Notice relief. And a 50-amp service on this unit. Everything came out second air conditioning. With one air conditioner now, has a 15,000 in place of the original one that may have been standard, which was a 13.5. It does have the 15,000. Your converter charger, which charges your batteries and allows your 12-volt system to work. A rug, water hose. That's a transfer switch that just transfers between the generator and shore power. Let's take a walk to the side. We do have the side view cameras as well. It does have a color monitor inside. LED lights installed into the awning. I will make note that these steps are spongy right here at this corner. They may need to just be tightened up. Not sure, but they're spongy at this point at that corner. We will have those looked at, repaired, or some resolution to that. Come in. Front area. have the front blind down. That front visor is power. The side visors are manual, pulling down, but a nice option over some of the curtains that you see. Again, is the Ford V10. The original ad showed 25,000 miles. We just got this unit in. Actually has 37,195 miles. We'll be making that correction immediately. It does have LCI, automatic leveling jacks. Cup holder there. The jacks do work as they're down currently right now. Have to have the engine off for those jacks to work. We have the engine on currently. It's a color monitor in the back with your side view cameras. The generator has 737 hours on it. It does start up, makes power, no issues. The cabinets look good when you do it. One item to note in here is the cabinets look good. There is an area on this slide. That's kind of a laminate on this portion. They are wood cabinet doors, but there is laminate on some of this. And right here at this slide, on the left-hand side, you can see a little bit of that there. Not very noticeable overall, but it is there. The refrigerator's on now. It has been on just a little bit. The freezer is getting down to temperature. The refrigerator is starting to cool also. Step cover and the snap covers on this dinette. You can see that a few of them have the leather has come off of the snaps. This can probably be replaced. Just making note that there are a few of them missing the gray cover. It does have the manuals, the original MSRP sheet with the unit. Another item to note, motorhomes in these years, a lot of them have bad fabrics on the seats, so you'll see a lot of them with seat covers. And I didn't take the seat cover off to make a huge mess in here, but if you look under there, the seats do that. Very common on units in this year, make, and model across all manufacturers. So those have been covered. The driver's seat's a little worse than the passenger seat, not horrible. We can take the covers off and get some pictures of that. Just not no signs of leaks, no smells. Cover here. Just got this unit in. We wiped it down a little bit. The oven still needs to be cleaned and a few other things. Let's get these sink covers on. It does have nice deep sinks in it. And it does have the solid surface countertops. Notice the cabinet how they make their stand-up shower. Glass shower door. King bed back here, lots of room. On the bed is the amount of space you have going around it. With only the one slide, the bedroom is a little bit tight, but does open into this area. There are doors that close that area, but it does open up into this area. Just some space as well.